Thanksgiving, flowers, what could be better? In this video, we'll share how to create a rooted design perfect for your table. The mechanics, curly willow, they'll fill the armature to support all the flowers and also give it the rooted look. So just winding it on itself, weaving it down into the vessel, tucking it low, and then repeating, just adding more stems down, winding, wrapping, and just feed it in until you get it fully covered, and then go back and add water. With the willow, you can tuck it all inside or let some hang out. If you like that look, you could even go back and add extra that extends, gives the design a little more character, a little more texture. Then go back and add flowers. The banksia, so big and bold. It's woody, actually is good to just break. And then cut down, and then set it in. You can see how beautiful. Repeating that with the second stem, giving it a break. A little bit shorter, moving the lower foliage, and then shadowing behind the first. Give it a little more power. The rose, the toffee, such a favorite, perfect for the autumn season. Tucking down, feeding it in, and the willow just holds it right in place. Then for a little more color, adding in some coneflower. They're not quite as long lasting, but boy, do they add drama. With all the materials radiating around, creating an emphasis with the banksia, then all I need is a little more texture. Maybe some hypericum berries. The coneflower pods. So yes, this is the same as this, just gone on to maturity. Tucking that in. Bit of grass, the millet, adds some gracefulness. And then repeat, just filling it in with a little bit of texture to finish a beautiful design. The recipe, I started with the curly willow. Needs to be fresh and pliable. Then the 2 banksia, 8 of the toffee roses, 6 of the coneflower blooms, and 6 of the coneflower pods. Then 6 of the hypericum, and 7 of the millet. Now you can mix and match and adjust, but pick your most favorite autumn materials. Thanksgiving is a holiday that always makes me think about my family, both birth family and chosen family. It's a time to go back to our roots and center. What a great way to replicate that in flowers. You'll find more creative inspiration on our website at flowerschool.com. If you got questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. What are you going to create to celebrate the autumn season and give thanks for all the gifts you receive? Be sure to create, design, photograph, and post it on social media. Hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way I can see and we all can see what you do as you do something you love.